As promised, I'm going to share with you how I get my everyday glam look. So yeah, without further ado, we're just going to get into that guy right now. So I'm starting off with a primer, and I just put that all over my face, make sure I get everywhere, and rub that in.
Don't take it, just don't and live my life. Don't take it personal.
Next, I just take my concealer and I go in and go under my eyes and anywhere that there might be dark circles, just to cover that up.
Staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up,
blending all that in now.
look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my
Then I just go in with my foundation. I kind of do like a northeast southwest vibe, just cover all the directions of my face, and then I go in with my stippling brush and blend that out.
I'm on hiatus, baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
So now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour cream kit. I am using the I'm using the nude color to just highlight my cheekbones. I'll highlight the bridge of my nose as well as my chin. Gotta make it pop.
Please and make then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away.
And I will leave all of the products that I used in the description box below, so you can figure out exactly what I am using in the video if I don't name it.
You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
And now I am going to bake my face with my banana powder. So I'm just going to put that where I put the nude contour. So that's going to be on my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, as well as my chin.
And live my life off screen, taking time out to be and live my life.
So I am going to go back and take the Anastasia Beverly Hills kit, and this time I'm going to use Carob, I think is how it's pronounced. And I'm going to go in and get the hollows of my cheekbones. I will do my nose, and I will do the chin as well. Just contour that out so that way I can look snatched. And when I do get to my nose, I'm going to use an angled brush just to try and be a little bit more precise, because it can get messy with your finger when you use your finger.
My life. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up.
And then when I am done, I am going to just wipe off all the excess banana powder and just kind of get all that stuff off. And then I will go back in with my MAC foundation powder, and I will blend in all of the contour together so that way it looks like it's just melted into my face like butter.
Me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
And now I'm just going to take a basic little brown pencil and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. For every day I typically only do the top, just because I want to just give the illusion of a little bit of an arch. I have pretty full eyebrows already, so there's not too much to do. If I'm doing something a little extra, I get more crazy. Now I am just going to use Gold Deposit from MAC, and as you can see, I'm excited about it because it gives you that nice little glow. It's like it's golden. I don't know what that golden thing is. Like golden hour. It's golden hour every hour with this thing. Love this. It's one of my favorite products.
Take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away.
And now I'm just gonna go in and line my eyes. I like to do a winged liner. So, and I hold my eyes. I know that's bad, but I am who I am. So I'm just gonna go in and start to create that shape and fill it.
Don't ask me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be.
And now I'm just going to take some mascara and I'm going to hit those lashes.
And live my life.
Then I'm going to line my lip. I'm going to use Chestnut, which is just like a brown MAC pencil. And I'm going to line my lips and try and make them look full and juicy.
I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah.
Usually wear a lipstick or lip gloss. I always wear color on my lips. Today I guess it was a lip gloss. So I'm just going to fill in the inner portion of my lips with that now.
I'm on hiatus.
And she's popping. I was also letting my hair sit while this video was happening. So my hair is popping now. Go me. And I think it's time to change my outfit.
And live my life off screen.
And now I'm just having fun, but this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again.
Don't take it personal.